There are certain timepieces that are more intricate mechanical art pieces and less of a timekeeping tool. That creed could not be more aptly exemplified than in the Bovet's Recital 18 shooting star. While this grand complication is undoubtedly a highly functional timepiece for travelers, it does not fail to capture its true essence, a unique, mesmerizing mechanical work of art and a marvel in horological engineering. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about Bovet or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Bovet in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kapellplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our webshop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Bovet timepieces. From its inception in 1822 by Édouard Bovet until its acquisition in 2001 by Pascal Raffi, Bovet Fleurier has built a legacy of crafting timepieces that are as artistic as they are mechanically complex. The renowned luxury brand is known for its commitment to empowering its artisans and watchmakers by giving them the autonomy to continuously push their creative boundaries. In this vein, its watchmakers sought to redefine how we read time by incorporating the two celestial bodies, the Earth and the Moon, instrumental in defining time. The result? The Récital 18 shooting star, a grand complication that includes a 5-day tourbillon, global timer with a selectable time zone, moon phase indicator, along with jumping hour and retrograde minutes. At 3 o'clock is a new interpretation of the global timer. This rotating dome features a custom-designed map of the Earth displayed in a single hemisphere, encircled by a fixed ring that shows the 24 time zones. To read the time in a specific zone, follow where the fixed hand points on the outer ring. The city indicator is just above to display the name of a city within that time zone. Complementing this, at 9 o'clock is the double moon phase indicator. Technically ingenious, it also highlights the obsessive craftsmanship of Bovet. The rotating hemisphere features engravings of the lunar surface and stars with white superluminova, while the sky and sea are filled with blue superluminova, creating a striking, realistic effect at night. At 12 o'clock, you will find the hours and minutes display, along with the power reserve indicator. The use of jumping hours and retrograde minutes, which require synchronization for their instantaneous jumps, is yet another testament to the skills of Bovet's artisans. Housing these complications is a 46mm case in diameter and 18.15mm in thickness, equipped with the domed sapphire crystal with a very pronounced curve to match the oblique incline along the 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock axis. The unique style of the case sums up the overall mesmerizing design of this timepiece and highlights the skills the House of Bovet has acquired since its founding in 1822. This timepiece is definitely a must-have if you are a die-hard timepiece lover or a true connoisseur who appreciates the details and the out-of-the-box approach in art and watchmaking. The wrist comparison shows the case size of 46mm undoubtedly screams for a wrist worth wearing this masterpiece and might intimidate people with a smaller wrist size, such as below 18 centimeters. Nevertheless, as we always say, it is all about you and your opinion. Why not giving it a try at one of our boutiques with our watch experts together? This beauty is for sure an eye-catcher and will lead to some of the most amazing conversations with like-minded people. At the heart of this grand complication is Bovet's in-house 17DM01HU movement, vibrating at 21,600 vibrations per hour and incorporates two barrels that generate a power reserve of up to 5 days. The attention to detail is astonishing. 3 blued masses positioned on the golden surge, reminiscent of the shape of the arches that adorn the balances of 19th century Bovet pocket timepieces. Like all components used in the manufacture of Bovet movements, the shooting star is regulated by a hairspring manufactured in the in-house workshops, an art mastered by fewer than 10 watchmaking companies around the world. A look at the case back reveals more exquisite details by Bovet, including hand-engraved stars across the entire surface of the movement, an engraving of the moon phase, as well as intricate hand engravings adorning the carriage and tourbillon bridges. Complementing the complexity and sophistication of the Récital 18 shooting star is a full-skin alligator strap with an ardillon buckle in 18-karat white gold to match the case. Bovet's Récital 18 shooting star exemplifies the boundless potential of artistry and technical innovation when designers and watchmakers are encouraged to think outside the box. This timepiece will undoubtedly become a cherished companion during your travels, allowing you to appreciate its complexity and entrancing craftsmanship at whim. The Récital 18 shooting star is now available at 420,700 Swiss francs and is limited to just 50 pieces worldwide. We are delighted to have the Bovet Recital 18 shooting star at either one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. How would you rate this piece and what did impress you the most? What are your thoughts on its dial layout and all the stunning details? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.